Are you sick and weary of being lethargic, having trouble in losing weight, and being concerned about the long-term health hazards associated with oxidative stress and chronic inflammation? It can be difficult to locate nutrient-dense foods with a variety of health advantages in the fast-paced world of today. With the abundance of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, acai fruit is a tasty and natural way to improve your health, increase your energy, and completely change your body and mind. Ever wondered how a tiny berry from the Amazon rainforest became a global superfood sensation? Comment below. 1. Rich in antioxidants. It may surprise you to learn that a single tiny fruit contains more antioxidants than a whole basket of blueberries. The deep purple hue of acai berries is attributed to their high content of anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants. Its pulp has an ORAC, oxygen radical absorbance capacity, value of 102,700, which is substantially greater than that of other berries like blueberries, which have an ORAS value of 4,669. This information is reported in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry. By scavenging free radicals, these antioxidants lessen oxidative stress and the chance of developing chronic illnesses like cancer and heart disease. Thus, eating acai berries can offer a strong protection against inflammation and cellular damage. 2. Heart health. Are you looking for a natural solution to reduce your cholesterol and strengthen your heart? Because anthocyanins, which are found in large quantities in acai berries, are known to reduce LDL, bad cholesterol. They are good for heart health. According to a research in the journal Atherosclerosis, anthocyanins can lower the risk of heart disease by raising circulatory function and cholesterol levels. It also includes plant sterols, which aid in preventing the body from absorbing cholesterol. Regular acai consumption has been shown to enhance blood lipid profiles, which in turn can lead to a healthy heart and lower the risk of atherosclerosis and heart attacks. Research in Nutrition Journal. 3. Improve sleep quality. Need something which helps you drift off into a peaceful, restful sleep? As long as acai berries include a lot of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help lower stress and anxiety, they may enhance the quality of your sleep. It contains magnesium, which is known to encourage relaxation and improve the synthesis of neurotransmitters like serotonin, which controls sleep. Furthermore, the anti-inflammatory qualities of this help ease physical discomfort that could keep you from falling asleep. The natural sugars in the fruit give you a consistent stream of energy without causing blood sugar crashes that can wake you awake. You might benefit from greater sleep, more restful sleep, and lower stress levels by including acai in your diet. These benefits can help both your physical and mental health. 4. Supports weight loss. Struggling with weight loss and constant cravings? Due to its high fiber content, which increases feelings of fullness and lowers overall calorie consumption, acai berries can aid in weight loss. These berries' fiber and good fats have been shown in a study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry to help control hunger hormones and enhance metabolism. Furthermore, the low glycemic index of such berries helps to balance blood sugar levels and avoid spikes that can trigger cravings. Because it increases satiety and encourages healthier eating habits, acai can help with weight management when included in a balanced diet. 5. Provides sustainable energy. Feeling drained and in need of a natural energy boost? Considering their well-rounded nutritional profile, acai berries offer sustainable energy. They are high in fiber, healthy fats, and carbs, all of which contribute to stable energy levels. About 4 to 5 grams of good fats, such as omega-9 and omega-6, which are slowly digested and provide sustained energy, are included in a 100-gram serving of acai pulp. Furthermore, the low glycemic index of acai helps to maintain a steadier source of energy by preventing abrupt spikes and dips in blood sugar levels. Acai is a great option for long-lasting energy because it contains a significant amount of fiber. 6. Improves skin health. Want to look young and charismatic with glowing skin? Since acai berries are high in antioxidants, especially vitamin C and polyphenols, they can greatly enhance the health of your skin. According to a study that was published in Phytotherapy Research, these antioxidants aid in preventing oxidative stress on the skin and lessening the signs of aging. Its fatty acids, which include omega-3, 6, and 9, also support the preservation of skin suppleness and hydration. The Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology published research demonstrating that topical acai oil treatments can minimize wrinkles and fine lines while imparting a youthful, natural glow. 7. Boosts brain function. Superfood that not only tastes amazing, but also supercharges your brain. Because of their high quantities of antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which shield brain cells from oxidative stress and age-related deterioration. Acai berries improve brain function. The polyphenols in this fruit have been shown in a 2019 study published in Nutrients to enhance synaptic plasticity and reduce inflammation, hence improving memory and learning. Acai has a far higher ORAC, oxygen radical absorbance capacity, score than other fruits, 102,700, which suggests that it has a strong antioxidant capacity. Furthermore, the good fats included in acai, like omega-9 and omega-6, boost cognitive functioning, healthy brain cell structure, and the health of neurons. Its consumption on a regular basis may reduce the risk of neurological illnesses like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's.